legal dictation 5 seconds. Start. Employment, appointment, compassionate appointment. Father of petitioner posted as Assistant Sub-Inspector of 63 Battalion CRPF died on 18/5/2016 in Harness, leaving behind his widow and the petitioner himself. Staff. Petitioner made application for compassionate appointment as his father was sole bread earner of the family. Staff. Petitioner appeared in physical test but found unfit for being appointed on post of constable. His candidature for the post of Havaldar / ministerial or assistant sub-inspector was considered but rejected on ground of his being over age. Staff. Contention of petitioner that he made application for compassionate appointment in the year 2016. Staff. His age in the year 2016 should be taken into consideration. Eligibility conditions on date of consideration of the application's relevant factor. Staff. Admittedly, petitioner was over age on the date of consideration. Petitioner dismissed. Staff. Para. In the case there are other vacancies available with the respondents for which physical criteria or age can be relaxed, open to them to consider case of petitioner within 3 months. Staff. Para. Counsel for the petitioner Pradeep Kumar and Krishna Nandan. Staff. Para. Counsel for the respondents AG SI and Vivek Tripathi. Staff. Para. Alok Mathur, J dash heard Sri Pradeep Kumar Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri Sasi Prakash Singh, learned additional Solicitor General of India, assisted by Sri Vivek Tripathi, learned counsel for the respondents. Staff. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that by means of present writ petition, petitioner has assailed the order dated 12/5/2021, passed by the Inspector General of Police, Central Reserve Police Force, Central Command, Vibhuti Khand, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, whereby candidature of the petitioner for compassionate appointment on one of the various posts in the CRPF had been rejected. Staff. Para. It is next submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that his father was posted as Assistant Sub-Inspector at 63 Battalion, CRPF, and he died on 18/5/2016 in Harness, leaving behind his widow, wife, and petitioner himself as his legal heirs. Staff. Petitioner's father was the only bread earner of the family, and consequently the petitioner made an application for being appointed under the dying in harness rules applicable to the said organization, for the posts which have been earmarked for the same. Staff. Para. The petitioner was asked to appear for physical test on 13/5/2019, at Noida, and which he could not clear and consequently was found unfit for being appointed on the post of constable. Staff. Para. Consequently, case of the petitioner was also considered on the post of Havaldar / ministerial or assistant sub-inspector, but his candidature was again rejected on the ground that he was over age and also because of his marital status. Staff. Para. Subsequently, the petitioner was also considered to be appointed on the post of driver, but the same could not be considered as the petitioner has not been submitted any driving license. And while rejecting the said application of the petitioner, it has been stated that they have considered the application for appointment, but due to the aforesaid reasons, compassionate appointment cannot be given to the petitioner. Staff.